Hi, I'm Kevin Enright, an architectural designer at Evergreen Architectural Arts here in Brooklyn, New York. I had the honor and privilege of being Evergreen's lead designer for the recreation of the Ohio Theater lobby located in downtown Cleveland, Ohio. The Ohio Theater and its lobby were designed by noted theater architect Thomas Lamb and opened in the 1920s. However, tragedy struck in the 1960s when a fire severely damaged the lobby interior. Temporary repairs were made and furnishings were installed to keep the theater operating, but it was not until 2015 that work began in earnest to restore the lobby to its former glory. We at Evergreen were tasked with creating design drawings to ensure the historical accuracy of the new lobby. We created schematic designs for everything from the columns, ceiling, and mirror frames to the carpet and the entire color palette. In addition to creating those designs, we also fabricated and installed plasterwork, murals, and painted the decorative finishes in the space. The construction documents were drawn by the architects at Westlake Reed Laskowski of Cleveland, now known as DLR Group. I worked closely with the architects to incorporate the heating, air conditioning, electrical, and life safety systems into the ornamental designs so that they would blend seamlessly into the decor.